So, you're looking for the perfect software to help grow and manage your business? Well, you came to the right place. Our booking process is purposely streamlined, removing as many barriers as possible in order to maximize your conversion rate. You simply choose your date, select a booking type, which are incredibly flexible and can be set up per person, per lane, or per package. You can then attach a pop-up window to every booking type to provide pertinent info, updates, or upsells. Choose a time, and then choose the number of people, lanes, or packages you wish to purchase. You can even leverage our dynamic pricing feature to maximize profits in busy times and incentivize customers in your slow time. Or create a discount code that customers can apply to their bookings. Then you simply proceed to the next step to complete your booking. Want to sell to a customer before they even arrive? Our add-ons feature lets you do that. You can add any product you like with any image and description to help maximize your revenues before your customer ever sets foot through your door. Then, the customer will simply enter their personal and payment information and hit pay. Our deposits are completely customizable. As soon as the customer clicks pay, the customer's reservation is added to your calendar and you both receive a booking notification email. The best part is, we're integrated with Square, Clover, and Stripe, so you can keep your in-house purchases and online purchases all in one place. Are you running a league at your venue as well? Activebooker can help you with that by allowing people to register directly from your website. Organize your leagues by day and collect your members' personal and payment information. Does your business require waivers for its participants? Activebooker has you covered there as well. Use our customizable waiver page to process and store your customers' waivers. So that's the customer view, but what does your view look like? Our easy-to-use management screen makes navigating our software a breeze for you and your staff. Everything is exactly where you expect it to be. Our calendar feature is where you will spend most of your time. As such, we have given you many different options to view your bookings in order to make sure you don't throw away money by overstaffing or create a poor experience by understaffing. View your bookings from a monthly, weekly, and of course daily view. The reservations are automatically sorted into the correct amount of lanes or bays for you. All the booking information, including who has signed a waiver, special notes, amount paid, and whether the group has been checked in, is available within the booking. Use our pre-designed emails to maximize your good reviews, virtually eliminate bad reviews, and minimize no-shows. Make sure you leverage our marketing integrations as well by installing your Metapixel, Google Tags, and Analytics for all your remarketing needs. We are also integrated with MailChimp, which means every booking made and waiver signed can be an email captured and marketed to. Okay, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Activebooker can do so much more and is largely customizable because we know every business is different. The best part is, we offer a flat monthly price. No surprise charges, just one price every month. Don't be fooled by softwares that advertise themselves as free and then pass the cost off onto your customer with a 3 to 5% markup on every purchase. Our belief is, if you're charging your customer 3 to 5% more, that money should be going into your pocket, not ours. Sign up today and let Activebooker take your business to the next level.